Okay, welcome to Elaine and everybody over at the window town of Capital District. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you a couple ways on how you can gain more customers and bring in more traffic through Google, through your website. I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to show you my screen real quick. And what we have here is when I looked up Glazer's Capital District, New York, this is what pops up. So we got the map pack. This is all that's called a map pack, and as you may know, because you guys are in here, which is awesome to see, these businesses get the most clicks. Okay, they get the most calls, and as you scroll down here, you'll see the organic listings. You'll see stuff like Yelp in there, Angie's List, and then you'll start to see some businesses pop up like Amazing Glass. Okay, I don't think I see you guys on here. I don't see you guys on the first page. So that's something that together we could do. That's something that my business, we strive to get our businesses, our clients, to the front page of Google. Okay. I'm going to show you your website real quick. It's an okay website. You guys got your number in the corner. That's awesome to see. Big for people to see and call. Okay. What I like to tell my clients is we like to get 1,500 words on that front page, really to get Google to dig deep and really check out and trust your website. So this website is called Ahrefs. I use this. I pay for this monthly, and this is for search engine optimization. That's something that my company does. That's the overall big picture of what we do for businesses. We do, Facebook ads, Google ads, lead generation, website builds. So right here, this is your website. The URL rating out of 100 is how much trust Google has in your website. Okay, and the domain rating, 4.9 out of 100. That's how much power your website has in Google's eyes. Now, this is something that you could go in and do all by yourself. If you had the time to use something we call backlinks, get organic keywords to bring in more traffic to your website. You can definitely do that, but I know a lot of business owners are very busy, so they would rather hire somebody else to do it. So the reason these numbers are so low is because the backlinks are not quality backlinks. Every backlink is not created equal. So you guys got 58 backlinks, and they're not doing too much for you, unfortunately. And referring domains, it's kind of the same thing. It's just other websites pointing to your websites. Okay, so you guys got 24 that they're not doing too much for you. You guys are using a bunch of keywords, and then your website brings in around $1,000 a month, and then you're bringing in like 200 people a month on your website. I'm going to click on referring domains real quick to kind of show you what it is that we're looking for. So what we would do is we would take these, the backlinks and the referring domains from companies, your competitors mainly. We would take the ones that are working, and we would plug them into your website. Okay, so those will be the good ones. Those will get you ranking on that front page of Google. Those will bring you more customers and more traffic. This is Dave's Glass. Okay, their website's okay. Just another website. This is their Ahrefs rank and everything. They got a 12 out of 100 for URL rating, 3.9 out of 100. And their backlinks and referring domains, they're not doing anything for them either. They're not bringing too much money in either. Just something to notice. And then Amazing Glass, their website's okay as well. Definitely needs some improvements. See, look at this, 0.1 out of 100. That's really bad. Look at all these backlinks that they have. They're not doing anything for them. They have a 21 out of 100 URL rating, so they got a little bit more trust, but there's not a lot of power in their website. They don't get much money coming in either. So definitely something to try and understand. I definitely am glad that I was able to show this to you today. If you ever want to talk more, definitely give me a call. My name is Nathan Bruce. My phone number is 379-7661. I look forward to speaking with you guys. Have a good one.